Welcome to Prasad Construction Hub YouTube channel.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, if you're constructing a new home or you're renovating your floor tiles, but you are in a little bit of confused that which are the best tiles for the floors, how to select the best tiles, what are the current prices in the market, and which are the best brands are available. So friends, in this video I'll cover the advantages of floor tiles and their prices currently in the market and key points to remember before installations, and the sizes difference are available. And at the end of the video I will share you some important tips so that you can save your money. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. There you can see there are the beautiful designs are available, so you can select as per this design tiles. Nowadays this type of designs are more popular, and the beautiful tiles has a top advantages. Like first one is aesthetic appeal. A beautiful floor tiles enhance the visual charm of any space. It gives a varieties of designs like you can see in this video, the colors and patterns. High quality tiles such as Vitrified are resistant to scratches, stains and water, and making them then ideal for high traffic areas like living room, bedrooms, even the kitchen. These tiles are easy to clean with regular sweeping or mopping, and they resist the dirt, grime buildup, ensuring the long lasting with minimal effort. If you want to go with other materials like ceramic, porcelain, there are different types of materials are available in the floor tiles, but vitrified tiles are the more popular for the floors. You will get different finishes like glossy, matte, which can suit for your house interior designs. And even they are cost effective because it offers a balance of affordability and durable, so providing the value for money compared to other flooring options. Actually, the cost of the floor tiles in India varies based on the materials, design, finish, brands, on the locations. Actually, the tiles starts from 35 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the brands and our budget also, and the quality of the material. From starting the 35 rupees is the standard tiles, and if you will go on to go with the premium, this starts from 45 rupees to per square feet to 150 rupees per square feet. So it totally depends upon the quality of the tiles. So friends, you will get different types of tiles. Like if you want to go with the ceramic, the price starts from 35 rupees per square feet. For vitrified, 45 rupees per square feet. And for porcelain, it is little bit of costlier. It starts from 80 rupees per square feet. And for marble or stone tiles, it starts from 110 rupees per square feet.